the 46th birth anniversary of BMP is being celebrated all over the countries by millions of people. Actually, after the second independence of Bangladesh, all the people of our country have got independence. So today, you can notice that many people have gathered to celebrate this special day. In this day, BMP has been established. So from this side, I would like to clarify that all the supporters of BMP have come to celebrate the birth anniversary of BMP. And I hope that after the second independence of Bangladesh, we have restored our democracy. And all the supporters, all the partisans have come here to celebrate this special day. And you can notice the chief guest of this party has come to this function. And you can notice that many people are come. Rishad Bhai has come to this function. So people are so much excited here. So as he has arrived this past place, people are so much excited. So after 16 years, all the supporters of BMP have got the special independence. So you can look at the faces of the people that they are so much happy after getting the full independence of their doing politics. So they can perform political activities again. So please come with me, and I want to show you something that they are so much interested. And I would like to say that this is the main person. So Nishad Bhai, I want to show you Nishad Bhai. He is a great person. People visit him so beautifully. I cannot express their feelings and emotions. Yes.